In today's video we will see how to remove a headset from the Meta Horizon app, unlink or delete device guide. Method 1. Remove device information from your Meta account. Open your Meta account device management page in the web browser. Sign in using the same Meta account connected to your headset. Now select devices from the menu and find the headset you want to remove. Now click delete device data or delete device info. Confirm the removal when prompted. This removes the headset stored information from your account. The method 2. Factory reset the headset. Power off the headset. Press and hold the power button and volume down button, means the minus button, together until the boot menu appear. Now use the volume buttons to highlight factory reset. Then press the power button to select it and choose yes, erase and factory reset. Now wait for the reset process to complete. Goodbye and thanks for watching.